Problem 34. Brad says that the literal equation A equals 3B plus 4C minus A is solved for A. Do I agree? Why or why not? This equation is not solved for A because we have an A on either side of the equal sign. So if I were solving this correctly for A, I would say A is equal to 3B plus 4C minus A. I would add A to each side so that then I would have 2A is equal to 3B plus 4C, and correctly solving for A, I would have 3B plus 4C divided by 2. But I don't even really have to go through all that if all I want is to see whether it's solved for A. No, because I need 1A all by itself on one side of the equal sign, and that's not true here. Problem 35. I have less than 3 hours to finish my homework. Which of the following graphs represents this situation? A solid line includes 3, and this is at least 3, H greater than or equal to 3. That's not it, because H, the number of hours I have, must be strictly less than 3. B is H is between 0 and 3, but it includes 3 because of the solid line, so it can't be A and it can't be B. C says more than 3 hours to complete my homework, but that's not what it says. D is correct. H strictly less than 3, but it includes 0 because we can't have negative time the same way we can't have negative distance. Okay, problem 36. A music teacher grades on E through U grading scale. A final score of more than 92 earns an E, 60 or less earns a U, any other final score earns an S. On 36, write 2 inequalities, one to represent a grade of E, and one to represent a grade of U. Okay, the score for E must be greater than or equal to 92. No, more than 92. So this is not correct. E must be greater than or equal to 93, or E greater than, strictly greater than 92. This is probably a better answer because if the grade were 92.1, that would be bigger than 92, so that would earn an E. A final score of 60 or less earns a U. So U would be less than or equal to 60. On 37, Zeb says that the inequality x greater than 60 represents a grade of S. Is he correct? He is partially correct. S has to be bigger than 60. but smaller than 93. So on the one hand, x bigger than 60 would be true, but it's also bounded by an upper limit of 92 for a grade of S.